So right now, this is only used to see what they've done with your company, but is there a way like they can see a joint calendar, for example, like if you were going to use this for membership?
Yes, absolutely. All right, so memberships. So it's kind of a multi-tiered process to have a membership system. The first thing you want to do is sell the membership. You can sell a free membership if you want to. The system will allow you to create any number of levels of memberships. You can have a platinum, a silver, a gold, a bronze, however you want to do it. And so the first thing you have to do is set up a product that can be sold. So let's go into the View Products area under the Store tab. So here I have a listing of all the products that are already in the system. I'm going to click on the Flower Club, which you can see here, the type of product that is a membership product. I'm going to click on that. And so I just want to go over the product types that are available in AllProWebTools. So if we drop that down, the first item there is a physical item. Physical item is something that has weight that typically is going to be shipped to somebody, so there's going to be some shipping charges and things like that. So that's a physical item. A downloadable item, AllProWebTools will allow you to sell MP3s if you are a garage band, or if you're selling ringtones or something like that. You can also sell white papers or PDF files, and those can be downloaded directly from your website after they make the purchase. Again, any product can be offered for $0. So if you want to create products that are free, you can do that. Next item on here is gift certificates. You can sell actual paper gift certificates that they can print out and they can use at your brick and mortar location. It will have a code on it that they can use if they purchase on your website. It'll go into the coupon field, and so if they've bought a gift certificate that's worth $50, they enter that code into the coupon field, it's going to go ahead and allow them to pay for that purchase with that gift certificate. If they don't use the entire value of the gift certificate, the system tracks how much is still remaining on the gift certificates, and they can see it when they log in as a buyer. They can see the status of their gift certificates and how much value is remaining on them. They also have a QR code on the gift certificate that your waitress could scan to see what the current value is, and they can actually update the value by taking that price off the ticket right there from their phone, and that'll update the website. So by selling gift certificates on your website, you can bring people back, and you can actually, with this system, sell them a $50 valued gift certificate for 25 bucks. You can set the prices however you want. So that's gift certificates. Next is memberships. And then there's also service-based. So that's just like a product, but it has no weight. So anything you sell that's just a flat price and you just do it, that's a service. You can also sell tickets. So if we go back to garage bands or seminars or any kind of learning that you're doing, or if you're doing any trade shows or anything like that, you can sell your tickets directly from your website. Again, they can be printed out, they can be displayed on their phone, they have a QR code so you can verify the authenticity of that ticket. There's also a reporting system that will tell you after the event how many people showed up based on those tickets that were scanned, so it's kind of cool. There's also credits. So if you think of an attorney who works off retainer, they're going to say, yeah, I'm going to work with you, but I need a $2,000 upfront retainer. That would be a credit. You would sell credits, and that would go into their CRM record. Oh, look at that, it's resetting again. That would go into their CRM record, and every time you clock into them, it's going to tell you how much money is remaining on account. Now, as the owner of the website, you can configure it to allow people to run negative past their balance, or once it hits zero, no more clock-ins. So that way you can control your employees and make sure they're not doing more work than you're actually going to get paid for. So that would be a credit. Then you also have hourly charges. So again, with that time card, you can set up different pricings that you charge your customers. Graphic design is one price, web development is another price, and then it'll charge the clients appropriately on their invoice. And the last is calendar. Had a ton of requests for hourly calendar. Don't have that yet. What's in there now is the ability for a bed and breakfast or a hotel to sell night stays at their for each room that they have available. It's connected through Google Calendar, and that's how you can track what rooms are available and block out times and that kind of thing. We are building the hourly. It's actually going to be like every 15 minutes. So if a massage therapist sells 30-minute blocks of their time, people can purchase that online. They can see if an appointment is available or not, and they will be notified through Google Calendar on their smartphone. So they'll have that information right there. All right, so that's all the different types of products you can sell. Let's go back to membership. So this is a membership product. We've called it Flower Club. And because we've tagged it as a membership, now it's going to show up in the membership system when we go to create a web page. So we're going to go into web pages, and we're going to click on this one column, and we're going to go over here to this tab that says membership only. And right here we can see that Flower Club is showing up as a checkbox, and it's not checked right now. That means that this web page is shown to the entire public. Everybody can see it. Well, let's go to website and look at this members only tips web page. So again, it's the same kind of a web page. The WYSIWYG editor, you can add pictures, do whatever you want to do. But over here where it says members only, we can see that the Flower Club is checked. That means the only people that can see this web page have to be subscribers that are currently paying for the Flowers Club. Now again, we can have as many different levels as we want. We can have the bronze, silver, gold, and we can have different pages that are available for different tiered levels of membership. Once they stop paying for their membership, they're going to lose access to that information. You can set up these memberships. If we go back to View Products, so you can set up the pricing here. This one is $20, and it charges them every 30 days. So you can set up weeklies, monthly, yearly, 6 months, whatever you want to do.
Do a credit card or bank transfer?
This is all going to operate through credit cards. It's going to automatically build a credit card.